number one and your only night tonic, what we call Bobos Yan, and with the same relationship since 2014. We don't come again today. I know say regularly, you don't know say that me not supposed to sit down on top this center hot seat. The only man that is capable to sit down here, he gets leg injury again. And I don't know how many times I want to solve this in leg problem. His third leg is having a problem. And we have to send him to India to go and solve it. That is Ugochukwu Matthew. So we hope and we wish him. Meanwhile, you don't go see Ugo for a very, very long time, at least 90 days. Now that injury will take to heal. But we still get the peace ambassador, the only man where they work out for all the peace, where they work out for all the cause peace today, everywhere, in the name of MC Shakra.
Anyway,
I am
missing Ugo.
Ugo, yes.
Ugo case now, those be like that of Van Persie that year. Do you know,
at a point, many times.
At a point in his career, injury. Then when he come back, he come, you understand? At that point, so my fear
so what is your fear? That's
maybe when Ugo don't come back, if he gonna leave us.
No, Ugo cannot leave the bar.
Cannot leave the bar.
You cannot leave the bar.
But
this bar is where he is.
But even if Ugo leave, with what I'm seeing in the bar right now, man.
Right now, you don't care.
I ain't gonna miss that dude, man.
Hey, Ugo Chukwu Matthews.
Not the quarrel.
You don't hear?
No.
So cannot they sell you over a female right now?
Not just a female.
Okay, explain.
A beautiful Asampete.
Yeah.
As a Govin.
So Ugo, so now we should just tell Ugo to go and not come back.
No. When we need him, when we need him, we'll come. But for now,
ladies and gentlemen, we have in the studio, in the bar, in the building this night, one lovely girl. Actually, the girl used to be Shakara's girlfriend, but since she came into the bar, we have changed the status. She's no more Shakara's girlfriend. She's now Showman's girlfriend.
Meanwhile, you should ask how old is our relationship. It's like maybe 2 hours or so.
2 hours?
Well, I met her like around after 3.
So what happened in these 3 hours?
3 hours. No, we've done a lot. She has smiled. We've done a lot because my imagination has traveled far. Maybe I don't know whether I don't know why she don't feel like,
when I see this girl.
Say normally, you don't ever go meet your crush somewhere.
You
know they take you 10 seconds to undress her, which is everything.
Is she your crush?
Now what for you?
This is not your crush.
My crush.
But it's not your crush.
It's my crush.
Not your crush.
Anyway, let's the reason why we are here. Anytime we come back, we always get proposed. If not, we'll drink for house.
Yeah.
But for us to come drink for bar, there's a reason.
Shakara just
and the reason why we are here drinking today, we are going to know.
Shakara just want us to introduce the girl.
I dated for 2 hours, and Showman want to drag her from me.
Yes.
We will see her now.
Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting our time, I want to bring you right now to your TV screen, one of the finest. This girl just came in all the way from NYC. I don't mean NYSC, I say NYC. That means New York City. New York City, where I was born.
New York.
You understand? Where I was born, where I was
New York. They like to inspire you.
Yeah, trying to sing Jay-Z featuring Alicia Keys or
okay, that is what they say. But there's a line I like there. That line where they say, the lights in the streets of New York will inspire you.
Will inspire you. You know, said the streets will inspire you.
You cannot sing that kind of song in Nigeria.
You can sing it in Lagos.
The traffic will kill you.
I had a remix of this song, funny enough. This New York song. I get it. I will sing it before we leave here. But without wasting your time, let me bring you right now up to speed. This lady is beautiful. She is she's not even a model, sorry, she's a makeup model. This girl is too much. This girl touch your face will change into the composition and the chemistry you need to see. Ladies and gentlemen, the international makeup artist is in the building. One and only Lovett. Make some noise. Love you, baby.
Have fun. I heard that day.
Oh, boy, they get smile. They make my smile.
The way she takes the have fun on that day, they will say, Showman, they lie to us. We will say, I don't say in New York. You know why? Because you know call the form like God.
Only they form all those families.
How far high like
This one no dey form. This one na real.
Confirm.
Na real girl wey be say she get grassroots. You understand? But how far? Let me give you this high five. Make them just see am.
If we know say we come here, come so hey, some man with the walk.
They don't
which guy will they walk? You have to be nice to a New York. That's how we greet in America. When you see them.
Could scatter this bar.
For this girl.
After all, whiskey break bottle for Danny head. I go break calabash for your head.
Break. How far are you there now?
Are they fine? What's happen?
Now you go tell us what did happen because where would they see you now?
Because now you come, now you supposed to bring
come, tell us what did happen? What did happen for New York?
Let's start from there first.
New York, they find cool where like 2 days ago they get them like snowstorm.
Like
14 inches. Your motorcycle will cover.
Meanwhile, this election something now, how far you go? Who you feel say go win this election? Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton?
Donald Trump.
I mean, like, that's why when they say God forbid. The man is the one where they lead the polls. So what did they tell me? Who go win right now? Okay, who you want to choose?
I think.
Good luck, Jonathan. Sorry.
I don't too know anything concerning
about
politics.
Them. I'll tell you more. For the Republican, they get one Rubio, then get Ted Cruz. Ted Cruz
but
and
like the lady.
The lady, that one, they don't come out that woman since where they the Republican. The woman where they now. Now be Clinton for my wife. Nah, that one. I be present wife. And that one I be like person where fits win. You understand?
Yeah, what's me her name again?
Hillary Clinton.
Yeah,
Hillary Clinton. Yeah.
I like Nigerians. Now we there they read about it. The Americans they don't even send what they happen. Now we there you cannot for head. They follow step by step.
Okay. Now don't see our guests who get inside the studio today. This girl a very fine girl. Why they say studio? Sorry, inside the bar today.
You don't confuse yourself.
You know, I don't like this place.
They drink Panadol for another person headache. Headache when no concern you, when no be you get to.
Shakara, you want day against me today?
I'm not there against you. I just they tell you.
You want day against me because of this girl?
Meanwhile, welcome again, my dear.
She don't hear before now.
Silver and gold we have no.
But
we suppose offer you small. But the small drink we'll get for Calabash, my sister, manager. This is Bobosia. You're welcome.
This is still Bobosia. When we come back from this break, we'll just go this small break. I don't tell our topic for today, but when we go on this break, you go see the topic of today. And that this segment now what they call Agogo for Street. No go anywhere. I get Shakara and I get Lovett. And Showman remains my name. Will they come back?
Bro.
If you should not agree, you go leave her. Not be by force. And there are a lot of girls outside. There are a lot of men outside.
I don't go do anything. I go just look for another better woman. So that will be my own.
First, I go feel bad, except if she give me the reason why she say no. At least I will understand from here.
I see there, if I beg you for friendship, you said no. The person will leave you and find somebody else. It's a free world.
Even we've done the day together for about 10 years. If you can say no, that means she get her own plan. Me too. I go find my way. I be guy. Nobody say girls discuss for us where I no be see. So I believe the life this morning, and where person go they say, okay, I go show you. I don't there for all those ones.
Okay, that one I be go for straight, and this one I be Bobos Yarn. Inside this bar today we get MC Shakara, and then we get our beautiful makeup model. This girl is just too much. Love it. Is in the building also tonight, and Showman also here. You don't hear the topic we get. After years, we don't date this person. You can't see me. You go propose, give this girl, and the girl no agree. I don't want to ask you because I know say you never get plan to propose yet. So make an ask person where fit say no to you when you want propose, give her. Abi?
You talk like who head you just talk like who
No.
I'm
asking you. If I say in case now you want propose, give her, she say no, uncle. What do you go do?
I'll go ahead with the marriage plans.
Sorry?
The marriage plan.
I choose another person.
No, the same way when no correct
How?
proposal.
You can't go. She say no.
She fit say yes on the wedding day. As far she say no.
Yeah, we say no for proposal. That won't call your wedding.
My brother, things can change.
I want to ask her. I beg, if now you don't date Shakara for a very long while. That is
like
God forbid, but the man is saying him.
7 years.
Yeah.
You can't say you won't marry me. I go agree now. What do you want make me say no?
But peradventure now, some girls they always say, some girls will say no.
Let's make it very open now.
Yeah.
I even start that thing when I first talk there. You know, so that man they talk say he wants
a better woman.
Go look for
a better woman. And because the one way no agree for you is not the one for you. She's not better.
Okay. Now I want to take him like this. You propose to a woman because now we now go feel the pain.
The pains where they say no, yeah.
Where they say no.
Rejection.
You understand? Rejection. It should be a very big revelation about something you've not seen for years. Do you understand? For a woman to say no to you, that she won't marry you after 6 years, that means there's something that you've not seen for this for the past 6 years.
What do you feel say go make woman go want say no?
Maybe the guy never ready. Maybe he never packaged well.
After many years,
maybe
you have been dating this guy for years. Package, okay, wait, you're having a point now. Package well, how? Financially?
Financially, yeah.
Oh, there you go. And there you go. So, now because of money now go make you reject person when you dey follow for how many years?
No, which I say no. I feel say no for that first time. Say, baby, never package well. Baby, work hard more. Maybe around next year, we'll plan something we'll do. So, you go repropose.
You go repropose again. No, I don't agree. I don't agree.
You get what I think? Say you get some girls, even guys, they do them. They date you, but they know say you never be complete wife material. They don't see like 2 or 3 things where they want in their woman.
In their woman, okay.
But it remain like 2.
When no dey inside.
Or one.
You don't forget everything.
Or watch. What in those kind of people they do be say? They go ahead or I go there for the relationship. But within for their mind, that this is okay, maybe one day. Like she mentioned, did you talk about school?
Yeah.
Some people feel they date you and what they won't do, they won't marry graduates. If you know the graduate, you don't go marry.
Go marry you.
You understand? So they figure they date you, you see they do, maybe you come, they also say, okay, you go further education. You come, they do business. And she comes see they tell you small. Say, you need to further, you need to all those kinds of things.
And you know one year.
And you know one year because say you don't do business, they see money. And you don't date her for like 5 years, then you can't propose.
Yeah.
You know, say one thing in her mind since she wants her husband to be
Go to school, a graduate.
But why you not tell your husband say this is what you
No, maybe go don't tell.
Maybe
You
not
know,
tell them
some
now,
don't
but
they
some
use
men.
time. Some men,
No,
you
but
know,
really, can a woman really go fit date with a man 4, 5, 6 years? You dey date this guy, and you clearly know say you no go marry this guy. And then he got
some no be clearly know.
Because for a guy to walk up to you and say he won't propose to you, that guy don't get confidence. Say, "Nah, my girl."
Maybe get what that guy gets. You dey make the girl stay for like 6 years.
So when he can't read the marriage, she can't say no.
She go say no. Maybe it's like, you know how some girls like fat boys, skinny boys. Maybe the fat boy get money, but you know say no go marry fat man. You'll be with him, oh.
And you know, say this is when she talk. You have a point because sometimes, or most times, you ladies when they date person just for the money of the moment, not with the plan. Say you won't marry her. Meanwhile, the guy now for in mind, they see you like wife.
No, some guys be like that.
If I take you out of that,
some guys do that too.
Yeah, some guys are like that. I know, Shakara.
Listen.
They woman because of the woman.
See, I know say African, the average African woman like money. You understand?
African woman.
Yes.
Everybody. Everybody.
Average, everyone like money.
Everybody. Whether white or black.
No, wait. Of course, we know. I've seen or I don't hear of.
You are well traveled. So
a white girl that will date you because you just give her flower. She just sit down on her own for one park.
Yeah,
maybe she just can't reason herself. Then you just go on her own. Where she sit down. You don't know her before. Just give her say, you understand? She will begin love you. But you understand?
Try for Nigeria,
when they talk, say, my point I try bring them the same. Not be every girl they marry you. I mean, they date you say because of money, and then at the end of the day, no go marry you say because say the money never come. Some they date you not be because of money. They are just used to you. They don't feel break up with you.
Or they want just use you.
We have a lot of relationships.
They want just use you.
No, it's not even using now.
In like say you don't go feel break up with them, but that person just they part of your life.
And you don't want to marry him. Do you understand?
Why will I be part of your life? I know what
I don't know whether you.
Friend, every time I call you, wait till they call for my
I'm clapping for you.
Now
I am not that is. You get how the reason the thing when you me say
I agree with her because
I get example.
I have to.
2 people. Understand? they don't marry each other, my brother.
Wait, do you have somebody in your own life where, as a female, within your life, where she know say you no go marry her, you know say you no go marry her, but una just dey crank, they go.
Shoma, you want the truth?
Yeah.
Should I tell you the truth?
Yes.
Should I tell you the truth?
Tell me the truth.
When we come back to the next break, I'll tell you.
Which break are we going to? Which break? We dey here. No, because I won't lie to you.
I used to have.
Let me tell you, I have who in my life. I have some ex wey never agree one go. As in, now friends and be now. But they are so close in your life. In fact, this week I been get one Instagram wahala of some people who want to try scam me. So I'm trying to even tell the whole world about them. So now this my ex, sorry now. They can't tell me, say, why I don't tell her of this kind. I can't say, why will I be telling my ex about
something
this kind thing? I don't feel say about your friend. So there are friends like that know that, okay, I won't marry this person. But just but for a guy that will walk up to you, gather crowd.
You remember one Voke girl? Voke. Now you come with my girl like that.
Voke.
Now exactly what we did that time with that. You understand?
Okay. Una de crank.
In between the lines.
No. Because
this one like apropos. This love it.
If a guy, because you see, for me, I believe say if a man will walk up to you, and not date for like many years, and he say I want to marry you, and you say no, you have been cranking this guy all this while.
Wait though, you get some guys like for Yankee. You get some guys, they'll say, I like you, but I don't want to ever get married to you.
You did?
It's good.
Those ones, they come out plain.
They come out plain, but if they don't see the person they like you, won't marry, then they'll start, then they want to get married to you. If you got that kind of thing, go make me say no.
Okay, wait.
Tell me
say
you don't marry me.
Wait.
Okay, why will you not say no? Maybe the guy fall in love now.
You know how some Nigerian girls that will get boyfriend, well, let's talk about future, baby, in 5 years' time. You know? That time the guy can't talk anyhow, can't say, no, baby, calm down, wedding very soon. Not now. Maybe the guy feel like, that my brother age, like 24, every time, if woman talk about marriage, no, they sound like that girl again. Because they talk about marriage, they talk about wedding gown, self.
About marriage, you know. But why would we talk about? No.
You see?
No, but it's wrong now.
We get some girls who they calm down. If they see the guy get better package, now can't you go calm down? You know, they follow the step. After that 5 years don't reach you, then the girl can they say on that guy now. They talk about marriage. Then that your baba don't say don't they say on that guy won't come marry you. Go talk no now.
No, but because most men actually come to men are very jealous. If I see say Shakara now like you well, you understand? I like that my interest.
Which I do.
Which we all do. And which right now we have to go on this very sharp break. When we come back, we need to hear what the ladies have more to say on the street. So don't go anywhere. It's Bobo's Yarn. Stay glued to your TV sets. Look, we hear waiting. Sisi won't talk. His opinion right now.
I go dey angry. I no go today happy with him like that, stuff like that. I tell him say, oh yeah, make it just be as he say you know marry, so make we just depart. Make everybody find their level.
Okay, we don't come back. This one is still that your night tonic, what they call Bobo's Yarn, Shakarade, the building, love it today. And in case you watch us from house, make sure you just follow our social media where they scroll under your screen right now. You feel they tell us your own opinion, because you know say men don't talk. They still don't talk, men don't talk. You self with the house. If you don't be man, if you don't be woman, anyhow you want place yourself, but send us your own contribution. Make we know. Is it proper? Is it okay? Make person don't date person for many years. Then when you come go kneel down with that expensive diamond ring, the girl can tell you say no. Is it nice? Is it fair?
What about the ring they're expensive?
Okay, we don't want
you get proposals where they really say no to.
Thank you.
Like the ones where they use card.
Because they use card. You can say no. You cannot say no to that one.
But before Naija say, let me even gossip small.
Gossip,
you don't think we'll gossip for you.
Abi?
Naija celebrities we marry. You know, I don't feel remember anybody we
they say use diamond karate.
You know,
na P Square, I use motor.
Okay, yeah, P Square.
They give now. Don Jazzy give Tiwa Savage when she married T-Bills.
No be, I say your boyfriend. Don't be saying wedding gift.
No, you know why? You know why T-Bills no give Tiwa Savage car? If you don't know, say Don Jazzy will give her Jeep. Most celebrities now know they bother to give their wife to be car because they know say you go give at least one friend must give
like
car.
Two-Face no say
Akpabio will give her. How you don't know? How you don't know?
No need to buy car they propose to her.
You know, say many people give cars for that one. You cannot use a car. No, but don't they use car to propose? Car now on the wedding day, you understand? You just give your wife the car. The only way they even shop
is they propose abroad now. Steady.
Did they use car propose for abroad? How you give her a car? I don't think it's a nice thing to give.
For America, your babe said if you buy a like ring, $20, and they're in love.
So what will be the expensive amount? That is, what is the highest carats? Put up for money wise of ring where if man can't carry give you.
Now can you ask that question?
No, because I didn't talk like you now. You feel be say you give us one good example here. Say all this why your boyfriend no send. Then Shakara okay na me okay no. Shakara your boyfriend now. No send you about marriage. Like you normally do. Then me can't come now, you understand?
You won't consent.
Now you won't consent.
You don't come to rich. She can't be confused.
Don't spoil my illustration, please. Don't spoil my illustration.
No, she just get the picture.
No, she get the picture already now.
Because normally they consider all these things.
How?
For my
excuse me. So when I carry expensive ring now come with heavy 18 carats gold.
Because we don't want to have too many actors.
Or 10 million buy ring.
Have you 10 million buy ring can't give you? Then all this while in your mind, you know say me I wasn't serious. But I bring expensive ring.
Don't tell me you accept it and don't show up on the wedding day. Because of the amount.
Because of the amount.
I go serious. You guys can't see the make person serious.
Can you imagine?
You just see that blink. Baby.
Because that's the blind eyes for that. You can't get one day when I see him before.
But the one way, sorry, more because it's more. The one way Tola give no.
No, they say they don't go find their bookie. They a bookie changer.
No, no cry now, boy, no cry. Was it that the ring between the shining was too much already? No cry now, no cry.
No, see, when it gets when they propose to, when they cry, some of them the tears. Only God they see woman happy. Some of them
they cry.
Wait, some of them that tears be.
Never expected.
Some of them that tears be. Hey, Jesus Christ! Now here now I go home. Oh God. Oh, people gonna say, oh, this is so emotional. They go punish her now.
But I want to ask you a question.
Because you know, say normally, through some girls, you know they are dating you, they love you,
but they don't want to marry you.
No, nobody say they don't want to marry you. Now you then get. It's just like say a bed at hand.
Yeah,
it's what
you better than all the other ones.
Now this one don't stay.
They feel just their mind see they say maybe someone one day one rich dude from where maybe they feel they want it. You know the guys come say.
Do you think that way?
Watch.
I
tell you. I say oh where have you been all this while? You know what I'm saying? Then she come go meet her boyfriend. Go give her the bad news. Say sorry. But all those moments where she imagine, it no happen at all. Until one day, because she still expect say that kind of thing still happen. She still feel run into one. Then one day, the guy where she dey expect, the normal guy where she dey with, just call it down with ring. So that cry, she dey cry and miss.
So you mean say most of the girls they cry now? Say plenty things they
their mind though.
Really, I want to ask you when they get the cry, when that man, what did they make get cry?
She no expect them. Like
she never expected
I beg you. She never expected it. She never expected it. Get when guy dey cry. Excuse me. Hours before that time.
Wait, I beg, remind me of that.
What did you say? Say it again.
The black woman bloody heart. She never expected that ring. That ring, like say no plan and come.
No, but wait.
If it be a birthday, you know.
Before all that time, this guy, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours before that ring, that guy they crank the girl. You understand? They don't chop everything together. So what are you telling me? They are used to themselves. So you don't go tell me, say, no, expect, say, this guy will give you a ring. So why the cry?
Maybe the you know, maybe the artist make the guy they give you. Maybe him not be the kind guy go call you every day.
Okay.
All of a sudden, they call you every day. The next thing come propose to you. I will cry now.
So how long a guy fit dey with you before he propose, give you, and then you go agree?
It depends. So maybe like 5 years.
Wow. What happen? How many years for university to
study? I don't understand. For one course, how much you?
Anatomy for university. How many years?
7 years.
Why they do
Please,
like
you
this?
go like to know that person, huh?
Now the kind of that they
For
allow
marriage,
men like
we will still know
now
each
the
other.
kind of that they allow men like us to want the
Marriage
thing.
is like school.
Yes,
No?
we agree.
But you know
Na
if
school
you
you go graduate before you enter.
love it. You know, say if you meet guy, if you meet guy,
Like as you meet me now.
we truly love you.
We love yes.
No, they interpret the thing.
I don't want to interpret for you now.
If you meet guy who truly love you, you don't need any prophet, any
tell
babalawo
you.
to come tell you. You know, say man, this guy is for real. You understand?
If I
that
come
guy
to you now,
propose to you,
if I
after
do you that now and tell you say marry me now, you go talk say no.
I'll talk no now.
Why?
Because I don't
Woman,
know
you need
you.
to make reference to this show. You need to, your head need to boot for where we start. There was a point you asked her if Shakara proposed to her.
Yeah.
She said she would say yes. Now you ask her again, if you propose to her. See, I just want to take note. Show on. I just want you to just pinpoint that first yes and this no.
If Shakara propose to you,
you don't need to go back to
I
ask
want
her
to go back again
No,
now.
it's a
Shakara
you can
propose
watch
to
it
you,
there. You can watch it. It's on record.
No.
It's been
Did she say
filmed.
yes?
It's been filmed. No, you can watch the replay.
did she say yes?
When they are showing this show, this
Did she say yes to you? Please, I'm trying to wrap up. Before I wrap up, I want to ask you one simple question now.
Will you marry me?
Give me,
Let's try, yeah.
A triumph.
give me just one reason where you feel say fit make you after you don't deal with one guy for many years to say no to that guy.
If he doesn't listen to me, if not the year word.
Shakara, what if you go make guy tell you like this? Say no. Say no, I'll marry you.
If she not say you get too many side chicks, some girls no one person will go disturb their life. We go make marriage shake. When they carry attention, go outside. That make when you the friend girl, you need to, if you go cheat, I'm not saying you should cheat, but if you will, cover and wait, cover and
Yeah,
cover
don't
am.
let her
If
know.
you go fit do that style when they hide phone inside motor, I have a private phone.
I don't know what to say again. Right now, Shakara don't give our own advice.
So women go they check their husband car now.
Advice.
Check on everywhere. Check.
Now no much Shakara advice. So we don't like we here we know the cheat. We are very faithful lovers. We take it one at a time.
One at a
like
time.
Yes.
a full
Even for
at
one
a
breakout.
time. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.